What is unit vector? Unit vector is a vector having what? Having its modulus as unity or what? 1. So that is called a unit vector. What I mean is that the magnitude of the vector is 1. Whenever the magnitude of what? Of vector it is equals to 1, so that vector is said to be unit vector. So there is another type of vector which says the equal what? The equal vector. So what is equal vector? So let me say, suppose I have a vector, let me say xi plus what? Yj plus zk, and let's say we have v x prime I plus y prime j plus what? Z prime what? K. So these two vectors that we are seeing, they are said to be equal if and only if they have what? They have the same length or magnitude and what? And the same direction. They are said to be equal if and only if they have the same length or magnitude and what? And the direction. If and only if the direction, okay, if and only if the magnitude or length, because magnitude is something as length, magnitude or length and what? And direction are the same. So if they are the same, these two vectors, they are said to be what? They are said to be equal vector, and automatically it will now be x is the same thing as x prime, and y should now be the same thing as what? Y prime, and z should now be equals to also z prime. So there is another type of vector. We have the free vector. Free vector. So what are free vectors? The vectors are said to be free or what? Or sliding vector if its magnitude and direction are fixed, but what? But position in space is not fixed. So in one word that I just going to explain the free vector is that, let me show you a big example. So as you can see, the direction of this vector is looking forward, but why the direction of this vector is what? Is looking backwards. Free vectors are vectors that are always move parallel to each other. So this is all on what? This is what I should going to tell you in what? In one word, the free vectors that are always in parallel to each other. This is looking forward, and why this is looking what? Backwards. And there is another types of vector which it is known as the bound vector.